Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the new drop-down option in Google Docs. There's a lot of reasons why you might want to give a multiple choice question. For example, you might want to ask your students a socio-emotional question. How are you feeling today? So they simply click and they can choose one of the options. And the options are color coded, which looks kind of nice. You could also maybe make a multiple choice question out of this. So for example, here I have a science question with 4 possible answers, and you can just ask your student to choose the correct response. You can also format these. You can pre-format them. So for example, these choices I can highlight and click bold, and it'll automatically bold whatever answer choice they select. And this goes for other formatting as well. I can, for example, increase the uh, point size, or I can even change the font. Let's change to something a little more snazzy, and it'll automatically apply those same selections, those same changes to their other choices. So let me show you how you can create a dropdown. It's very simple. You just go to Insert, Dropdown, and you can click New Dropdown, or you can choose one that's already been configured or one that you've already used. I'm going to create a new one called a 4-point scale, which might be useful for a let's say for a rubric or something like that. Maybe you're just going to be scoring something. And again, one of the advantages of this over just typing the number is that we'll automatically associate with a color. So I could choose like blue for 4, green for 3, maybe a yellow for 2, and maybe a red for 1. And I can simply insert that again. If I wanted to insert that same drop down somewhere else, I could just click it here. It's already on my list of possible choices. Or you could even edit it if I wanted to have a slightly different version of it. Maybe I wanted to edit this, and maybe I'm not so happy with the yellow. Maybe I want to change that yellow to another color, like maybe purple or something. And so then now that I've edited that, if I enter another drop down with the same choice, now the 2 is purple instead, and the original one is also changed. So I edited that template and it changed all of the 4-point drop downs, so that 2 is always purple now. And if I want to change my mind about that, obviously I can just click on Edit Options and change it back to the yellow that I had previously. And I can again change just this instance or apply to all. So I'm going to apply it to all, and now all of them have the yellow choice instead of the purple. Also, if you want to make a lot of duplicates of the same one, like I did here, there is a shortcut. You can also copy and paste. So I'm going to copy maybe just these 2 cells, and I'll hit Control C on my keyboard. And now I'll paste with Control V. And as you can see, it's copying and pasting the entire dropdown with all the formatting intact. So hope you've enjoyed this introduction to dropdowns. It's one of the newest features of Google Docs. If you have any questions, reach out to your EdTech specialist.